Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Healthier channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that so many of you have asked about: managing anxiety. In our fast-paced world, it's no surprise that feelings of stress and anxiety can creep in. While it's super important to have a holistic approach, things like therapy, exercise, and a good diet, some people are also curious about supplements that might offer some support. So, we're going to explore 5 popular supplements known for their potential fast-acting effects on anxiety. Now, a huge disclaimer before we start. I am not a doctor, and this video is for informational purposes only. It is absolutely crucial that you talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, taking other medications, or have any underlying health conditions. What works for one person might not work for another, and professional medical advice is non-negotiable. Your health and safety are the top priority. Also, if you're struggling with severe anxiety or feeling overwhelmed, please reach out to a mental health professional. There is so much support available, and you don't have to go through it alone. Alright, with that important note out of the way, let's get into our list. Coming in at number 5 is L-theanine. If you're a fan of green tea, you're already familiar with this one. L-theanine is an amino acid found predominantly in tea leaves. What makes it so interesting is its ability to promote relaxation without causing drowsiness. Think of it as a calm alertness. How does it work? Well, L-theanine is believed to increase the levels of several key neurotransmitters in the brain, including gaba, serotonin, and dopamine. These are often called the feel-good chemicals because they play a huge role in regulating mood, sleep, and emotion. By boosting these neurotransmitters, L-theanine can help quiet down the excitatory brain activity that leads to feelings of stress and anxiety. It's like turning down the volume on the mental chatter. Many people report feeling its effects within 30 to 60 minutes. You can get L-theanine from drinking green or black tea, but for a more concentrated and immediate effect, it's also available in capsule or powder form. It's a popular choice for people looking to take the edge off during a stressful workday or before a big presentation, as it typically doesn't impair cognitive function. In fact, some studies suggest it might even enhance focus and attention. Next up, at number 4, we have magnesium. This one might surprise you, but magnesium is a powerhouse mineral involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including many that affect your brain and nervous system. It's often referred to as nature's relaxation mineral. A deficiency in magnesium has been linked to increased anxiety and a heightened stress response. Why? Because magnesium plays a critical role in regulating the body's stress response system. It helps maintain healthy levels of GABA and can limit the release of stress hormones like cortisol. When you're stressed, your body actually uses up more magnesium, which can create a vicious cycle. Supplementing with it can help break that cycle. There are many forms of magnesium, and some are better absorbed than others. Magnesium glycinate and magnesium L-threonate are often recommended for anxiety because they are gentle on the stomach and can cross the blood-brain barrier more effectively. People often notice a sense of physical and mental calm after taking it. It can be particularly helpful for physical symptoms of anxiety, like muscle tension and restlessness. Taking it in the evening might also improve your sleep quality, which is a huge bonus since poor sleep and anxiety often go hand in hand. Moving on to number 3 on our list, lemon balm. This isn't a vitamin or a mineral, but a lovely, fragrant herb from the mint family. Lemon balm has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to soothe tension, improve mood, and promote sleep. Its calming effects are thought to come from its active compounds, particularly rosmarinic acid, which can increase the availability of GABA in the brain. Your probably noticing a theme here with GABA. By inhibiting an enzyme that breaks down GABA, lemon balm helps keep more of this calming neurotransmitter around. Studies have shown that it can significantly reduce feelings of anxiety and improve calmness in stressful situations. Sometimes within just an hour of taking it, you can enjoy lemon balm as a tea, which is a wonderful and comforting ritual in itself. Or you can find it in more concentrated forms like tinctures or capsules. It has a pleasant, slightly citrusy taste and aroma, which can also contribute to its relaxing effect through aromatherapy. It's a gentle yet effective option for those looking for a natural way to ease everyday stress. Now for our runner-up, at number 2, GABA itself. We've talked a lot about how other supplements help increase GABA, so why not just take GABA directly? GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, is the primary inhibitory neurotransmitter in your central nervous system. Its main job is to slow down brain activity, putting the brakes on nerve impulses. When GABA levels are optimal, you feel calm, relaxed, and your mind is at ease. When they're low, your brain can get stuck in an on state, leading to racing thoughts, restlessness, and anxiety. So, taking a GABA supplement seems like a no-brainer, right? Well, it's a bit more complex. For a long time, scientists believed that supplemental GABA couldn't cross the blood-brain barrier effectively. However, more recent research and a ton of anecdotal evidence suggest it might have a calming effect through other mechanisms. Perhaps by influencing the enteric nervous system in your gut, often called the second brain. Many people who take GABA supplements report a very quick sense of tranquility, sometimes within minutes. It comes in various forms, including capsules and sublingual tablets that dissolve under the tongue for faster absorption. It's a direct approach to boosting the brain's primary calming agent. And finally, at number 1, we have ashwagandha. This ancient herb is a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine and is what's known as an adaptogen. Adaptogens are incredible substances that help your body adapt to stress, whether it's physical, chemical, or biological. Instead of just sedating you, ashwagandha works by modulating your body's stress response. Specifically, it's been shown to significantly reduce levels of the stress hormone cortisol. When you're chronically stressed, your cortisol levels can remain elevated, leading to a cascade of negative effects, including anxiety, fatigue, and brain fog. By helping to balance cortisol, ashwagandha helps your body return to a state of equilibrium or homeostasis. The effects can be quite profound. Studies have demonstrated its ability to dramatically reduce self-reported anxiety scores. While some people notice a calming effect fairly quickly, ashwagandha's true strength lies in its cumulative benefits over time. Consistent use can help build your resilience to stress, making you less reactive to triggers in the long run. It's like a workout for your stress response system. The most studied form is the KSM-66 extract, so that's often the one to look for. So there you have it's our top 5 fast-acting supplements for anxiety support: L-theanine, magnesium, lemon balm, GABA, and ashwagandha. Each one works in a slightly different way to promote a sense of calm and well-being. Remember, these are tools, not cures. They work best as part of a comprehensive strategy for managing your mental health. Nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, quality sleep, and professional support are the pillars of long-term well-being. Supplements can be a helpful addition to that foundation, but they can't replace it. I really hope you found this information helpful. If you've tried any of these, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. What worked for you? Let's create a supportive community and share our knowledge. But let's also remember to be responsible and respectful in our discussions. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, be well, and take care of your mind. See you in the next video.